In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a missing mobile menu on Wix 2026 guide. If your mobile menu seems to have disappeared, don't worry, your site isn't broken. Wix treats desktop and mobile layouts as separate workspaces, which is great for customization, but can also mean elements get hidden on mobile without affecting your desktop design. That's usually what happened to your menu, and we're going to bring it back quickly. Start by opening your site in the Wix Web Design Editor. Once you're in, switch the editor to the mobile view using the switch to mobile icon at the top. This is crucial because the fixes you make in mobile view won't disturb your desktop layout, and the tools you need only appear here. Now let's find what's hidden. On the left side of the mobile editor, look for the Hidden on Mobile panel. The icon looks like an eye with a slash through it. Click it to open a list of elements that are currently tucked away from your mobile layout. Scroll through and look for anything named Site Menu or Menu. Wix will sometimes move menus here automatically if the layout gets crowded or if the menu is dragged off canvas during edits. When you spot your menu, click the Show button, which appears as a plus sign next to the item. Instantly, the menu will reappear on your mobile canvas. From here, drag it to where you want it to live. A common choice is inside the header area so it displays consistently across pages. As you position it, make sure it doesn't overlap text, images, or buttons. Give it a little breathing room so it's easy to tap, especially near the top corners where thumbs need space. If you see alignment guides, use them to center the icon or line it up with other elements for a clean look. With placement set, it's time to test. Click Preview to see your site like a visitor would on a phone. Tap the menu to confirm it opens, expands correctly, and doesn't block important content. Navigate a couple of pages to ensure it appears and behaves consistently. If something feels off, return to the editor and nudge the position until it's comfortable and clear. When everything looks right, click Publish. This saves your changes and pushes the restored menu live for your visitors. That's it. By switching to the mobile editor, revealing hidden elements, restoring your menu, and double checking in preview, you'll have your mobile navigation back where it belongs. Thanks for watching and happy editing.